Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will be very briefly interpreting before you different values of acid base imbalance. How we can use laboratory findings to interpret our metabolic and respiratory disorders. Okay, now I focus on the diagram. Students, I have taken this diagram from Kopstedt book, courtesy of Kopstedt. So first of all, concentrate on partial pressure of arterial carbon dioxide. There are three possibilities in partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Either it is increased, normal, or decreased. Students, when carbon dioxide partial pressure is increased, then we have to look at bicarbonate ions, HCO3 negative ions. If HCO3 negative ion are increased in the scenario, then we have to look at pH. If pH is increased, then the scenario is partial compensated metabolic alkalosis, or you can say compensated metabolic alkalosis if the pH is normal. If the pH is increased, then it is metabolic alkalosis, compensated. If pH is normal, either it is respiratory acidosis or it is metabolic alkalosis. If pH is decreased, then it is compensated respiratory acidosis. Okay students, I repeat, partial pressure of carbon dioxide increased, then bicarbonate ions. If they are increased, then look at pH. If pH is increased, it is metabolic alkalosis. If pH is normal, it is compensated respiratory acidosis or compensated metabolic alkalosis. And if pH is decreased, it is respiratory acidosis. Similar, if bicarbonate ions are normal, then again look at the pH. If pH is decreased, it is uncompensated respiratory acidosis. Now we come back towards partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Here, if partial pressure of arterial carbon dioxide is normal, then look at bicarbonate ion. There will be three possibilities. It will be either increased, normal, or decreased. Here we are. If bicarbonate ions are increased, then look at pH. If pH is increased, then it is uncompensated metabolic alkalosis. Similarly, if bicarbonate ions are normal, look at the pH. If pH is normal, then we have normal acid base balance. If bicarbonate ions are decreased, look at the pH. If pH is decreased, it is uncompensated metabolic alkalosis. Now, if partial pressure of arterial carbon dioxide is decreased, look at bicarbonate ions. If bicarbonate ions are normal, look at the pH. If pH is increased, then it is uncompensated respiratory alkalosis. Similarly, if bicarbonate ions are decreased, look at the pH. If pH is increased, it is compensated respiratory alkalosis. If pH is normal, two possibilities. Either it is compensated respiratory alkalosis or compensated metabolic alkalosis, acidosis. And if the pH is decreased, then it is metabolic acidosis and it is compensated. So students, this is a small and very brief key from Kopstedt book to interpret the metabolic disturbances or acid base imbalance in patient's body. Now take a brief look of this whole diagram, and it will help you inshallah in solving out the acid base imbalance.